wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So here I am on New Year's Eve, deep into my deep clean baby. Look at my edge, and you can probably hear my washing machine in the background, but I realized I did not tell you guys what new products we are looking forward to coming into the new year. So I had to pause and do all that, so you guys already know what time it is. Let's talk about new products coming out. Let's go. Okay, so first thing I see here, new multi-chrome BFF chrome gel liners from ColourPop. Waterproof 18-hour wear liners, shift color with every angle of light in 6 vibrant chrome shades for the first time ever. No, I feel like it is kind of different, at least from what I remember coming out from ColourPop. It seems something different. It's not a collection with the same palette, the same thing, stuff like that. They probably have launched something that at least kind of seems like this before, but I feel like it's different enough compared to what we've been seeing from ColourPop. Am I interested? No. You know, funny enough, I saw a tweet from them yesterday, the 30th of December, and it was talking about, I think, a Winx collection that they have coming out, and they were like, coming soon, 2023. And people were like, so you mean tomorrow? Because baby, I think you meant 2024. But you know what? Next caller. Okay, revealed new Dream Lip Oil from Summer Fridays, includes 4 shades, coming soon. I like the colors of these, and these look like they would probably be pigmented, like pigmented lip oils, although, you know, lip oils, and we're not gonna get into that. And Summer Fridays does make good like lip products and face products. I like their face mask. I would try at least one of these. At least one. It looks like it'd be a quick little like throw in your bag and just kind of put it on your lips so you have something on your lips. So I would try at least one. Okay. Available now, Real Flawless Weightless Perfecting Serum Concealer from Laura Mercier. A weightless serum-infused multitasking concealer that quickly brightens, hydrates, and smooths while providing medium coverage, crease-proof, cake-free formula, up to 16 hours of wear time, and a natural finish. $33, 22 shades. They had me until I saw serum. I don't really like serum foundation, serum concealer, especially concealers, because I usually like a little bit thicker of a concealer. But I would at least try it because, you know, like that's my job. That's what I'm here to do. If I was a regular consumer, would I be interested in trying this? Probably not. But will I try it if you guys want me to try it? Sure. Why not? This probably goes with their Flawless foundation, which I don't believe I was that big of a fan of either. But let me know if you guys want a video on that. New Brow Freeze Gel from Anastasia Beverly Hills, an innovative clear brow wax gel hybrid featuring a triple action comb applicator that shapes brows with the ultimate hold on the go, featuring a triple action comb applicator that shapes, sculpts, and sets brows. 26 dual hairs, $13 for travel size. It's Anastasia Beverly Hills. You know, y'all already know how I feel about the eyeshadow, but they be doing it when it comes to the brows, and there's something else, lip products. Also, that foundation I was talking about on Instagram not too long ago was kind of slept on. So would I be interested in this? I believe they have like a brow freeze type thing. It's a clear that was pretty good. Oh, it's available January 4th. I would try it. This kind of looks like the same thing. Maybe it's just how it's looking. Is it the same? No, it says it. Okay. I'm intrigued. I would try it. Okay, available now. Best Skin Ever Multi-Use Hydrating Glow Concealer from Sephora collection. A new lightweight, radiant, multi-purpose formula that corrects, conceals, and instantly brightens under the eyes for a glowing, natural complexion with medium coverage that leaves skin luminous and hydrated for up to 12 hours in 30 shades, $15 each. Something about it isn't exciting me too much. However, I do like the fact that it's more of a like glow dewy type formula as opposed to the Best Skin Ever foundation, because you know that is a matte foundation, even though they do have a glow version as well as that one, but I prefer the matte one because I have oily skin and I like to balance it out. So if I use a more natural foundation, I might use, you know, a little bit more like soft matte of a concealer, or vice versa, that type thing. So I would try this just to see how it wears with the Best Skin Forever foundation, because that is a really good foundation, and usually brands make the products so that they work well together with the other products in the collection. So I will definitely check this out. What is new? Okay, available now. Also from Sephora. What is that? I know that's not what okay. Includes Sephora Colorful Contour Matte Powder for $14. Sephora Colorful Powder Luminizer for $14. So highlighters, you already know, I'm not interested. The contours, why it look like that? That look gray. Look at it. That don't look gray? Why it look like that? I don't like that, Sephora. Sephora usually, you know, doesn't, I mean, I know contour is supposed to be a cooler tone, but that's why I've been needing brands to understand that does not mean gray for deeper complexions. Even lighter complexions, because, you know, they be using these shades to contour and then end up looking gray. Like, who is that for? It's giving casket ready. No. Some of the other shades don't look as gray. You know what? Let me know if you guys would like to see a video on that. Okay, moving on. Available now, Aurora Escape Collection from Morphe. I didn't know Morphe was still, okay. Includes a palette for $28, eye brush set for $28, high shine lip gloss for $12. No. I'm not being shady when I said I didn't know Morphe was still releasing products. I thought, you know, all the employees were making videos on how they were shutting every store down without telling them and all that stuff. So, but okay. But no, look at the palette. Look at it. I mean, it gives like on theme with what the collection is, but I'm gonna scroll on. Okay, also new from Anastasia. But I feel like brands be having their moments where like, you know, let's pull back. Let's regroup. You know, I don't think the products that we're launching right now are, you know, making any buzz, not making any hits, anything like that. And then they take that time, they come back, and then they start dropping things where you're like, oh, okay. Because I feel like I've heard people talking about this. It is their new Lip Velvet Liquid Lipstick with full coverage, opaque color, and hours of wear. Think liquid lipstick's intense payoff without the dryness or cracking, mousse-like texture delivering unprecedented color, and a blurring finish or flawless long-wearing lips. Available, it should be available by now because it said by the 28th of December. I am intrigued. You know, I don't really do liquid lips now, but the colors of this are giving this could be cute if you put a gloss over it. It feels a little bit more matte. Their matte lipsticks, like the bullet lipsticks they had, were good back in the day. I'm intrigued by the colors. I'd probably pick one up, just a little, you know. Let me know if you guys want to see like what's new at Anastasia Beverly Hills. Where have y'all been? Because y'all know. Okay, confirmed, it's happening. Charlotte Tilbury is also coming to Ulta, February 2024. Okay, Ulta. Okay, I see you. They getting them brands. They right there was for, although honestly I really haven't been to Ulta much this year now that I think about it, but Auntie Charlotte's going to be there. Okay, I saw these and I plan to go get these, if not tomorrow, because you know, I don't really like going out the first, but the second I'll go get it at Target. Is it Target that I saw that has it? Elf is coming out with some new releases. Their Camo Liquid Blush retails for $7, giving very much so supposed to be rare beauty dupes. And the Camo Hydrating CC Cream SPF 15. Y'all let me know if y'all want to see a video on both, but I know I'm going to go pick up the blushes, the CC Cream. But y'all let me know. Okay, oh, also, coming to Ulta Beauty, Ulla Henriksen. Okay, I'm just Ulta's snatching them up. Okay, oh, also coming to Ulta Beauty, Sol de Janeiro is confirmed, will be in Ulta January 1st. Okay, all right, you know, do they have Fenty? I don't know if they have Fenty. Do they have Fenty? I thought they had Fenty. No, maybe that's Tarte. Something like that. You know, you snatch up Pat McGrath, Makeup by Mario. Available now, MAC Stack Mega Mascara in a new snowy shade. Snow Stack on infinite layers of icy hot volume and length. An endlessly buildable clump resistant mascara that stacks on infinite layers of icy hot volume. Retails for $28. I thought this was going to be like a lash primer. It looked like that is the actual color of the mascara. It's supposed to be white, which be also for real. Like, what am I supposed to do with this? You know, if you do like content on social media or just you want to spice it up when you go out, but I feel like that's usually like a one-off type thing. Like, how often are you rocking icy lashes that you would want to spend $28 for an icy mascara. Maybe that's just me. It's a no dog for me, but if you like it, I'm letting you know that it's available. Okay, let's see what is new. Oh, I already ordered this. It's literally sitting on my kitchen counter. It'll be the first foundation that I review 2024. Complexion products from CoverGirl. The Ageless Skin Perfector Essence Foundation with micro droplet technology. It only comes in 8 shades and it is $21.49 for CoverGirl. But it's supposed to be like a Chanel dupe, and y'all already know that's one of my favorite foundations, so that is why I picked it up. And like I said, I already have it, so would I buy it? Yes, I would. And I will definitely let you guys know how that goes. And the last thing that I have here, new Cheek Kiss Cream Bronzer from Milani Cosmetics. Lightweight, ultra blendable formula that gives effortless summer glow year round. Melts onto skin, buildable coverage with a soft matte finish that delivers a natural sun-kissed glow. $12.99 each. I'm intrigued. I would try this. Milani is kind of like a slept-on drugstore brand, but also I feel like some of their products be a little hit or miss, so that's why it's a little slept on. But I am intrigued by this. I would try this, and it's only $12.99. Okay, what I expect from drugstore. So I will definitely check that out. And yeah, y'all, that is it for this video. You know, I told you I was gonna be quick with this one, but I feel like going into the new year, I am seeing things that I have either picked up, I intend to pick up, or I feel like y'all might actually be interested in seeing. Like I said, the Sephora Best Skin Ever concealer, the Anastasia products. Let me know if you want like a what has Anastasia been up to, what's new with them type video. The Milani bronzer, I already have the CoverGirl. I'm gonna go get the e.l.f. There was some, oh, NYX. I don't see it here, but NYX has come out with these like sticks that you can use as concealer, bronzer, stuff like that. I'm going to get those as well. It's giving drugstore might be taking over 2024. But yeah, y'all, that is it for this video, and that is it for the year. Another year of making content on YouTube. You know, kind of pulled back from makeup in the last like year or two, but also like the last year or two has been beating my ass. And the launches just haven't been launching, but I feel like very recently I've been seeing things that are coming out, and I'm like, okay, we're gonna get back to it in 2024. And yeah, so this is going up today. This is my last time seeing you guys, so if you are going out tonight, please make sure you are safe, you are smart, you have your contacts, everyone has your locations, all of that, because of course we want to see all of you make it into the new year. I want to make sure that I wish you all a happy new year. If this year was not that year, because I'm trying to decide if it was or was not that year. I'd be looking like, okay, I had a good year. Then I'd be like, oh, maybe I didn't have a good year. Then I hope next year is. I love you guys. I love all the support that you guys give me across all of my platforms. If you don't follow me on all my platforms, make sure you go do that. And yeah, thank you all for watching for another year. I hope you stick around for another year, and make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah, 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 yeah.